Today we are looking at a sentence composing tool called an opening adjectives. Now an adjective is a descriptive word that describes a noun or a pronoun. An opening adjective is an adjective that opens a sentence. It's really not that complicated. An opening adjective can be a single word or the first word in an adjective phrase. An adjective phrase begins with an adjective and then continues the description. The important thing is that a comma is always going to fall an opening adjective, whether it's a single word or a phrase. That's the punctuation that you'll use after you use that opening adjective. So now we're going to look at examples. And this is your single opening adjective. You have powerless. We witnessed the sacking of our launch. And again, you have that comma there because that's the punctuated needed when using an opening adjective. You can also have multiple opening adjectives. Bloodthirsty and brutal, the giants brought themselves to the point of extinction by warring amongst themselves during the last century. So it's still that single adjective, but you can combine it and use it as the opening adjective and pay close attention. We still have the comma. Last but not least, we have adjective phrases. And this particular sentence has two. Numb of all feeling, empty as a shell, still he clung to life, and the hours droned by. So you have your commas there. And what you need to know is that an adjective is always describing a noun. So numb of all feeling, empty as a shell, it's describing the he. So now for some practice. There's a document in Edmodo that you're going to go into the 4th 6 weeks folder. And it is going to be, it's a Google Doc, and it's going to be titled Opening Adjective Practice. And these are the instructions that will be on it too. So let's just go over the instructions really quickly. Match the opening adjectives with the sentences. Bring your answers to class. Meaning there's 5 sentences. Let's say 1 is C, 2 is C, 3 is C, whatever it is. You're going to bring those, and then you're going to choose 2 of the sentences to write out, inserting and underlining the opening adjectives. So again, this document can be found in Edmodo in the 4 6 weeks folder. The title is Opening Adjective Practice, and that is where you'll find your homework I want you to bring in.